Airport Management Certification, Overview. An airport management certificate is a professional credential or certification program that focuses on the management and operation of airports. It is designed to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge required to handle various aspects of airport administration, operations, safety, and customer service. Key topics typically covered. Number 1. Airport operations, managing day-to-day activities, including airside and landside operations. Number 2. Safety and security, compliance with international and national aviation standards, including emergency response planning. Number 3. Regulatory framework, understanding regulations from bodies like ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, and IATA, International Air Transport Association. Number 4. Customer service, enhancing passenger experience and managing airline relationships. Number 5. Financial management, budgeting, revenue generation, and cost control in airport operations. Number 6. Infrastructure management, planning and maintaining airport facilities. Number 7. Environmental and sustainability practices, implementing eco-friendly practices in airport operations. Eligibility. A. Minimum qualification, 10th or 12th pass. B. Basic English language proficiency, as most programs are taught in English. C. Some certifications may require a minimum age of 17 to 18 years. Career opportunities after certification. A. Airport ground staff. B. Customer service representative. C. Cargo handling staff. D. Ramp agent. E. Passenger service executive. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.